How do you graph using intercepts? In this video, I will answer that question. We're actually going to use intercepts to graph a linear function. The first thing we're going to have to do is identify the intercepts. And in order to identify intercepts, you should have watched the video before this one. So we first need to identify the intercepts. And then once we identify, we can plot the points and create our line through those 2 points. For this example, we're going to use intercepts to graph the line given by the equation negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. And remember, we're going to use intercepts, so I'm going to plot 2 points on the x or y axis and connect those points to form a line. So to find the x-intercept, I need to let y equal 0. And if I let y equal 0, then I can go ahead and just cross out the 4y. Because it's going to equal 0, it's going to be gone. And then I get negative 3x equals negative 12. And then I have a basic one-step equation to solve. So I divide both sides by negative 3. And I get x equals 4. So my x-intercept is going to be 4, 0. I'll go ahead and box that in red. Let me get the red color. Okay, that's our first intercept. And let me go ahead and plot that on our axis here. Remember, this is the x-axis. And I have 0.40, which is going to go right there. Okay, now let's find our y-intercept. I'm going to let x equal 0 to find my y-intercept. So let me go ahead and erase that so we can start fresh for our new equation. Okay. So if I let x equal 0, well then this is just going to cancel out and go away. And now I get 4y equals negative 12. And then I have a basic one-step equation to solve. So y is going to equal negative 3. Y equals negative 3. And our y-intercept is going to be 0, because x equals 0, negative 3. And I just realized I wrote negative 13. So let me erase that. There we go. Okay, so y is going to equal negative 3. I was going to plot that on our axis. It's going to be on the y-axis at 0, negative 3, which is right here. And now you see I have my 2 points. Let me go ahead and box this so you know that that represents the blue. And now I'm going to go ahead and graph the line by connecting the 2 points. And here is our line. Oops, got a little messed up. There we go. And so we use intercepts to graph the line. Go ahead and practice some problems from your textbook. And if you bring me a problem that you practice from your textbook for homework, I'll give you a 1-up. So bring it to me to class tomorrow.